Can't sleep in the stifling heat? Transform your home into a refreshing oasis with whole house fan and wake up feeling rejuvenated. Whether you're facing a heat wave or struggling with high cooling costs, we have the solution. Picture this. As the temperature rises outside, you turn on your whole house fan. Within minutes, a refreshing breeze fills your home, providing relief and saving you money. Don't let the summer heat exhaust you down. Experience the power of whole house fan and transform your home into a cool sanctuary. Contact Whole House Fan Company today to schedule your installation.